Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're probably gonna work on the floor pan some more. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna try to cut the rust out mainly. Might be a shorter video, but if we get the rust, that bottom part cut out, then I think we might move on to taking this canister off this frame here. Has this 2 tubes coming up. I'm not sure really what that's for, but I'll try to take that off, and I think I'm gonna have to modify my inner rocker in order to make it fit, and I'll show you what I mean by that. But yeah, I think work on that pan a little bit more, and then we'll see what else we got, and let's keep going. I think this area is where I'm gonna concentrate most of my work tonight. I think I'm gonna, since that's already rusted through here, I'm gonna cut it along here and down here and leave just a little bit, just so I kind of know. Well, I just don't want to get too close to that yet, because I figure I'm gonna have to cut a piece of that off and replace it, and I don't have the metal to do that right now. But anyways, we can cut it here and around, take this piece out, look at this support, make sure it's all right, and see what we need to do to kind of get it sanded down and rust fixed on it. But the inner rocker here, the thing I'm kind of concerned with is that it comes up over this and it comes back here behind this pillar, and underneath it's, well, I'll show you. Underneath it's bent like this, and I'm not going to take this off. So I was thinking the easiest way might be just to bend this back up and kind of try to get in between these two pieces, and then up and over and hammer it back down in place. Not sure if that's the right way to do it, but I mean, there's no way to put this between here unless you flatten this out or flatten this out. And I figure it'd be easier to hammer up here, but it may look nicer if I do it on the back side. So if any of y'all have experience with that, please let me know. But my thoughts are straighten this back out enough to fit it between here and then bend it back over. That's my thoughts on the inner rocker at this point. But I think I come to the conclusion that I'm going to try and cut this out all the way across. That's bad. And bend a piece and use my new tool to put a indention in it and butt it up to this and weld it all the way across, and hopefully that will, I can cover it up, you know, grind the welds down and cover it up with some body filler and whatnot. And on the back side I'm not too concerned with it because I plan on undercoating it. I'm going to undercoat this too, but I like for it to look halfway decent. And once we get that done, I think I may cut this panel maybe. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it out completely because I don't want to mess up that bend there. I may cut it back just right above these indentions and try to get rid of most of that rust on the panel. And same way right here too, cut this off right through here. Try not to hit that, and just replace this as my thoughts right now. But I mean, that can change in a blink of an eye. But I I may just buy this whole panel. Maybe easier just to take it off completely and just get a new one. But I'm gonna try to fix this at least, so I don't have to buy this whole section here. But I think, yeah, it's not. We're gonna cut on this and look what's underneath it and see, make sure everything's okay. And if not, we may have to weld this, or we may have to buy this support. But anyways, let's get to it. Now we kind of see what we're gonna be dealing with. Didn't cut all the way back because this support here, but I think I left enough on it I could try to find the spot welds and get them out. I don't know if I can, but we'll try. And left enough on this one too, because there's another brace. You can see it right there. We'll have to work with that too. That makes me wonder if I can even replace this one since that brace is right underneath it. I think I'm gonna work on this a little bit, try to get this a little bit more freed as best I can. And we'll either cut some more or yank it off. This is probably gonna be kind of a long process because I can't see where the spot welds are when I sanded it down. So I'm having to find a seam, hammer in between, find out where the chisel stops, drill, and then spot weld cut, hammer it down until I find another one, drill, spot weld cut, and then another one. And this has them all the way down on this side and all the way down on this side. So yeah, we got a lot of fiddling and drilling to do, but still think I'm gonna cut it underneath that bracket. Just have to cut our pan where it needs to be, then, you know, stitch these two together. Maybe if I do that, we can bend that back a little bit and stick that lip underneath this area and kind of try to fix that with that little pinch right there. And we'll have to spot weld it from this side. At least that's what I'm thinking. If y'all have any better suggestions, let me know. But that's what I'm going with right now. This is what it looks like. We'll can't wait to get the body back together and get it off the frame. I really want to start on the frame and do some suspension stuff, but ain't no way I can take it off the frame now with a lot of pieces missing through here. Anyways, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Tonight's kind of short video, not too much excitement other than cutting that rust out, but now I think I got a little bit of a game plan to move forward, and I'm wanting to get that floor pan in here pretty soon. So that's gonna be my my next big project. So I think I got to get that in and kind of fix that back part before I put the inner rocker on, and then I can put the kick panel on over that, and then put the outer rocker on, and that should be all of that. But we're going to take the door pillar apart and get it where it's not so wonky. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I mean, it really helps me out. Like today, I did not want to come out here, but I'm glad I did. I'm gonna try not to miss as much as I can. I'm doing so good so far. But anyways, another thing I was thinking about doing is getting a powder coating gun. I don't know if y'all want to see stuff on that. I've never powder coated before, but I do have an oven back there that I got just for powder coating, but I never got a gun. So I was thinking about getting a Harbor Freight just to see, you know, if I even like doing it or not, and maybe doing some. Well, I got a part in the Camaro and the Blaster right now that needs to be powder coated, but might do a little bit of that. Just throwing things out there. I don't know really what I need powder coat on the Bronco yet, because I know I've got to replace a bunch of stuff, but there's some suspension stuff that we're going to keep, and little brackets and stuff that I think I could probably powder coat. But yeah, I was thinking about doing that. Let me know what y'all think. But thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next.